What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another aircraft educational video. In today's video, we are looking at the Pratt& and Whitney 1500G engine. This is the engine used for the Airbus 220. In today's video, we are going to be learning about a component, and the component we're learning about is the air turbine starter. So we are going to be looking at the function of the air turbine starter on this engine, some components, and also how the air turbine starter works on this engine. So let's get into it. Before we learn about how the air turbine starter works on this engine, let's learn about the location of the starter. For this Pratt& and Whitney 1500G engine, the starter is located at the left side of each engine. So facing forward of the left side, the starter is located at the outboard side of the engine, and facing forward of the right engine, the starter is located at the inboard side of the engine. Now that we know the location of the starter, let's talk about some few components of the air turbine starter. At the top of the starter, we have a dual channel speed sensor, and the whole purpose of the speed sensor is to measure the rotational speed of the turbine inside the starter. So it takes the measurement of the rotational speed of the turbine and send it to the EEC. So the EEC is the electronic engine control. The EEC takes the information to determine the starter valve position and also the starter engagement and the disengagement from the gearbox. At the bottom of the starter, we have the chip collector, the drain port, and also the overfill port. And the purpose of the chip collector is to prevent any circulation of debris in the starter. The purpose of the drain port is to drain the oil from the starter, and the purpose of the overfill port is to ensure the right quantity of oil is added to the starter. Now let's talk about how the air turbine starter works on this engine. So basically, the APU supplies bleed air to the starter, and inside the starter we have a turbine. The supply of bleed air inside the starter start rotating the turbine inside the starter, and at the end of the starter we have a connecting drive shaft. So the drive shaft is connected from the starter to the gearbox, and the rotational motion of the turbine start spinning the drive shaft, which starts spinning the accessory gearbox. And at the end of the accessory gearbox, we have a connection from the accessory gearbox to the enthusiast spool. The enthusiast spool is the high pressure compressor and the high pressure turbine. The rotational motion of the accessory gearbox starts spinning the enthusiast spool. At a certain speed, the FedEx takes over. So the FedEx initiates for fuel flow and ignition. Once there's ignition, then the starter automatically disengages from the system. So that's how the air turbine starter works on this engine. Hopefully you guys learned some key components about the air starter on this engine. If you guys have any idea of what type of videos or what component I should talk next, please drop it in the comment section. For you guys that are new to my channel, my name is Peter. I'm an aircraft maintenance engineer, and I make educative videos regarding aircraft and also aircraft maintenance engineer. If you find this video informative, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Love you guys.